Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. It is about mid-fall in November. We're doing an update on our layout since we haven't done one since last year. As you can see, we're almost finalizing the town layout. Not exactly how we're going to do it, but it gives you an idea. Put some cars in there just so you can see how it's going to transpire. We haven't really developed this area over here, except for where the station house is going to be. Over here, probably going to have a cul-de-sac of some kind. Got the beginnings of the farm back there. As you can see, we're starting on the hills. Right now we just got the screen mesh, metal screen mesh, tacked down with some track nails. We're going to hot glue that in place to the foam on top, and then bend it in the shape we want and attach it towards where the track is, so we have the slope that we want. Got a little forest area is going to be back there. Water tower. You've seen this many times. All that. I don't know if that's where the sanding tower is going to stay. It may go over back there. Don't know yet. But also, our yard is almost done. Got all the switches in, got most of the track nailed down. Still got a little bit more to do. Then we got to put the frogs on. We got 2 of them wired up over there. The mountain's almost finished. Decided to redo this area. Didn't like how it terminated, so adding another section. If you watched any of our run videos, you could see that was piled with crap, I should just say. Crap and tools and all that, so I spent the day cleaning and all that. The only area I haven't cleaned right here is pretty much my work area. Say hi, Bob. Say hi, George. Okay. And Davros over there, if you want to see him. Cleaned underneath. As you can see, we got storage for all the smaller robots under here. K9 and BB8 and R4 and all that fun stuff. Still doing some wiring on here. Pretty soon I'm going to be wiring up all these. These are for the ceiling lights in the roundhouse. These buttons are for track power, and these are for pit lights. And then the actual control for the turntable itself. Lots of stuff. Once I get all this track down, then I'm going to paint the track, put down the ballast, did a little test ballast in certain areas, as you can see here and there, and still got to work on that. As you can see, people are saying the roads were a little bit too wide, but if I do the parking the way I'm going to do, it's going to have parking here on this side, not so much on this side. Then there'll be some buildings over here somewhere. Got an alley here, you got the mob there, probably with a body in the back. If you're wondering, that's the car from Casino. Parking on the sides here, driving, half of the street going this way, just half. That way I don't bump into the buildings, just some loose cars on there. Come around, cul-de-sac. Maybe have a road come around here. Then we'll have it pop up over this, and then this will be a road going through here and up through there. So that'd be kind of cool. If you have any questions, let us know. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, just say hi. We'd like to hear from you. Thank you and have a great day. Say bye, Bob.